class. This week we were reading about Mole and how he was trying to bring down that moon. And he learned that he wasn't able to bring it down because it was not as close as it looks. If we look here, we see a table of contents. A table of contents tells a reader what's in the book, what's in the text. So we read Bringing Down the Moon. Today we're going to read Day and Night Sky, and that tells us that it's on page 29. I'm going to go to the end of the book and find page 29. We see here that it's an informational text and it's about science. Bringing Down the Moon was a fantasy. It had characters, and the animals, they talked and they did things, so we know that that was fiction. So let me go to page 29. Here we see the informational text, Day and Night Sky. This will be a review for us. We spent a lot of time on day and night. Remember our nighttime mural that we made with the stars? That's still on the window. Hopefully we can get back to class and see that again. All right, let's begin. I see a picture here of a bridge, a big bridge that's going over the water. And it says, this is the sky during the day. The sun is in the sky. So we can see the sky, the sun, and it's bright out. We can see the color of the bridge and the color of the water. When we go down here, we see it's much darker, and it tells us this is the sky at night. The moon is in the sky, so we can see that moon up there. And at night, the bridge has to be lit up so the travelers can see where they're going. We can't see the color of the water because it's dark out. Look at that moon. It's a circle. It looks like a circle. Who remembers the name, what you call the moon when it looks like a circle? Anybody remember? If you said full moon, you remembered. So on our next page, here we have a heading. A heading is a feature of a text, of an informational text. It's usually at the top of the page, and it will tell the reader what they're going to be reading about. So this says daytime, so we know this page is going to tell us about the daytime. The sun rises in the morning and sets at night. The sun is very hot and bright. It looks like a giant fireball. Be careful never to look straight into the sun. And we know that because that can hurt your eyes. But here again, it's daytime, it's bright. Here our heading says nighttime. So we know on this page we'll be reading about nighttime. The moon looks different at different times of the month. The moon can look like a thin crescent. Here in this picture, we have a picture of the moon when it looks like a crescent. Looks like a smile, kind of a crooked smile. And here we have this caption. A caption is another text feature. It's telling us about this picture. At another time, it can look full and round. There's that full moon. Sometimes you can even see the moon during the day. Here it is daytime, and right there you can see the moon. And we've seen it sometimes out on the playground. So in this caption, it says, the moon in daytime. So whenever you have a picture on your page and there's words telling about it, that text feature is called a caption. It tells about the picture. This heading says stars, the stars. So on this page, we'll be reading about the stars. The sun is a star. It looks big because it is the closest star to Earth. There are other stars we see only at night. These stars are very far away from Earth. We are always looking for new stars. Maybe one day you will discover one. What I want you to do for this assignment is create your own informational book, informational text about day and night. You can include pictures with captions. You can use headings at the top and then write about your heading. If you're writing about the sun or day, you'll write your heading at the top, then give information about it. If you're writing about the moon or the nighttime, you'll put your heading up there and then write about it. So I want your book, your informational text, to have 3 pages and write lots of details and use those text features that we just learned about. If you need to, you can replay this video and for more information on the text features, headings and captions. I want you to do your best and make your pictures colorful if it's daytime. If you're drawing about the night, make your pictures look like it is nighttime. Like in this one, I can see it's nighttime because it's dark, very dark out. Remember to take a picture when you're done and go ahead and email that to me. Do your best, and looking forward to seeing your informational text on day and night. See you soon.